Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take bee propolis. To begin, consider the form that best suits your lifestyle and preferences. Tinctures are popular for their versatility, allowing you to easily adjust the dose by adding drops to water or juice. Capsules offer a convenient, pre-measured option, perfect for on the go. Raw propolis can also be chewed or mixed into honey. When using a tincture, a common starting point is 10 to 20 drops mixed into a small amount of water or juice, taken once or twice daily. For capsules, follow the manufacturer's recommendations, which often suggest 1 or 2 capsules, usually 250 to 500 milligrams each, per day. If you have raw propolis, a small piece, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, can be chewed. It's always wise to start with a smaller dose to see how your body reacts, especially if you have allergies to bee products. Consistency is key. Taking propolis regularly, as directed, will help you achieve the best potential benefits. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine. While generally safe, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to propolis, particularly if they are allergic to bees or bee products. Symptoms might include skin rashes or digestive upset. If you notice any adverse effects, stop taking it immediately and seek medical advice. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.